Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be showing you guys a tutorial using the new Huda Beauty New Nude. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing a tutorial with you guys using the Huda Beauty New Nude palette, which looks like this. If you guys haven't seen it, it is just an all pink eyeshadow palette. It is beautiful and everything your heart could ever desire. I have never tried the Huda Beauty shadows before, but my friend Helen did gift this to me for Christmas, and I'm really impressed by these shadows. So I thought I would share how to create this look. I try to keep it very simple, very easy. I actually only use 3 shadows, 2 shadows for my crease, 1 for my actual lid color. I did use the Bare Shade to set my shadow, and I used an additional shadow to put in my inner tear duct. Other than that, really it's kind of simple cut crease look, and this palette is very much on the pink side, but I decided to do a little different. I decided to kind of step out of the pink realm because my last tutorial was a pink look, kind of go more of the purple route. So I hope you guys enjoy this look, and if you guys do, keep on watching. Okay, so I am going to be showing you how to get this look on this side of my eye. I am starting with priming my lid as per usual. I do have concealer on my eyelid already, and that is just when I put on my Bye Bye Under Eye, my usual. And I'm gonna take the shade Bare from the palette and use that to set the primer. So I'm just gonna take a nice fluffy crease brush, and I'm gonna go in the shade Secret. We're just gonna place that all over my crease and bring it up to the upper crease to kind of work as a transition shade. And we're gonna make sure to bring it out all the way towards the brow. Now what I'm gonna do is take the same brush. I'm gonna go in with the shade Love Bite and sweep that across my crease. And then I'm gonna take a smaller smudge brush and a Love Bite. I'm just gonna pack that onto the outer corner just to intensify it, as well as bring it back into the crease. Just be sure to keep bringing it out just so it all looks very cohesive. What I'm gonna do is take a smaller concealer brush and I'm gonna carve out the cut crease. What is awesome about this palette is that it does include a concealer shade already in it, and so it's that guy in the corner right there. And as you see, I'm gonna stop about 3/4 of the way to my outer corner. With a similar brush from the concealer brush, I'm just gonna take the color Daydream, which is one of the pretty metallic shades, and pack that all over where I applied the concealer. And I'm not wetting these at all. It's just, that is just how great this pigment really is. I'm just gonna take that same smudge brush and kind of bring in that outer corner. I'm gonna blend it into the edge. And then after that, I'm just gonna take this liner and do a nice winged liner on the opposite side. For my liner, I'm just using the Kat Von D tattoo liner. I'm just gonna take that same black, lightly put that on my lower lash line as close as possible to my actual lash line, and then I'm gonna take that same brush I was using before with the excess product and smudge it, blend it in. And that is going to be the completed eyeshadow tutorial. I'm gonna finish off the look with this Troublemaker mascara from Urban Decay. And I'm just using this as a prep before putting on my lashes. While I let my mascara kind of dry before I put on my lashes, I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face, and I will be back in a moment. I am taking these lashes right here. These are the Ardell Faux Mink lashes, and I'm using this one right here in 810. So now that those are on, I'm gonna finish off the look with strip. And I'm just taking Kylie's gloss in literally and applying that right on top. This gloss is a little bit darker than the shade Stripped, which I really like because I want my nude to be nude but not totally washed out. I just want to add that I did add a little bit of my nude liner into my waterline, and it is this NYX pencil right here. If you guys have watched previous videos, you guys know I like to pop that in my waterline every so often. It just really adds to the completed look. I'm gonna take a little bit of Bare from the palette and apply that to my inner corner, and take a little bit of Crave, which is right next to it, and apply that on top. I'm just trying to get any kind of sparkle from Crave and have that on here. I'm going to take a little bit of Crave and kind of apply that underneath the brow bone as well. And that's just going to give me a nice reflect whenever I turn my head. This is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you guys liked the look or recreate it, definitely let me know in the comments below. I look forward to hearing back from you guys on how you guys think I did with this look. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!